Bulli shop number 1 opposite Brikama police station. Sa fala mobile mojudo choggu welgu mobile mo anduda wada mo use harronka halama bonane ko bulli shop yata. Itel, Tecno, Samsung. E latest Nokia kala faso mobile mo fala at ugol temele jo yehi do heba mobile keso kul ko hondung habota den yehen bulli shop opposite Brikama police station. Ha joni o hadani don. So on fala ma flat screen fason mo fala dawo e inch mo fala dawo sa hewti bulli shop a heba mo ton e choggu welgu. Men yeyu de receive faje kadi. Ara soda baga suji receive. Men yaha men wadana ma fix hara yobata hay original charger original batteries screen protectors dum fawno bulli shop opposite Brikama police station si on fala ma hebude ko labi kolombe e 7799530 wala 9957262 bulli shop number 1 don hebato mobile mojo e choguwen
Badingol mobile adadima a garantir ngo andu warranty bala niya sanna tinyata ka joysey walla ya dade akasoto damin doro wala bulli shopti anyabe tilindaliye Brikama police station la Brikama sate kono mobile min boko Itel Tecno Samsung ani latest Nokia lo kata fo Huawei ani mobile kotangol mobile sifa dadima kabo kemelul la drop ise fanso mobile soto walla ngamune bato al ngamborinu bulli shop number 1 afele anyabe tilinde Brikama police station la Kachanyo ya no ni telefono la 779-9530 wala 995-7262 Bulli shop number 1 che badingulu nkale ko jakalo bantalde sako atul mini alon ko alkana holiday la jang nyembanko kan e ko holiday lalo mandinari river lodge wolle nata pour kalu da handi bari e bungol sotale le bungol mini alon ko ibe tembering e dalibe sonearing andu bungol be betearing bari badingulu amanda wala de mandinari river lodge e kamuru ne fane e ka river escosono kale wolom nyente ko ning ali lundangol le soto wala da malo allafta kalon na bolongol be nyamin isebulandino kulungo konole ye yayi kata Denton Bridge Banjul kata hani fonyombi bari manna dawo fananna de iko ye dula sotale jele dami alon ko wolo mukku dulati anika fomi ye beach andu la jelibe seniari ne mobuke batande ni biji iko la bungol mu nyontangol leti ila bungol ye bedada fengol mini alon ko wolle be to laje babarolo ani nyantangol walla to mini alon ko alnata holiday la lokun fulalom bang lokun sabalom bang karkilin nomba nyinno mudulati dami yalon ko isitano jele yesse wo soto yela holiday enjoy bari ninata jibe dandangola je wo mu nyontangolati bari manna da wala de ye kulumbale sotale je kulumba mi yalon ko restaurant be wala kono ni dunta wo kulungo kono aka kefele ko ibe baba la kulumbale kono andu ye domoro sifa be sotale jele kabri na nyin african domorolu benna chinolu domodalu ani yasa sulu humbala hol ye nyulul bele sotale je badingolu Black Pearl restaurant nyimbe mandinaring river lodge le kono andung ya foko fengo feng ni wala mu nyela fannati e ka fo mine seafood kabri nyele bang sifa lu bang nyankaro lu bang anin deri ngolu ye nyinul bele sotale andu nye sifa ya be sotale yele nyinul do lafte tabi jawo tabi nyale ka wala ke ni lafte ya tabi ni lafte ya jani ni lafte ya tabdinka e ka bele kale wala badi ngolu ngale ko jakalo bandade altolo gambian kolu anin gambian kolu terol bini alon kal kana nyimbanko kan amanjari katanyum hotel da kolem balito bayring mandinarin river lodge itolbe nakirin mandinarin na bolongo fangole bala ikatela bun konole inyabe bajiola wala nkamune bato ni lafta booking na drong alnga feroke nga abdukumandi plus 220742651 wala 220321936 wala 7426521 wala 3219363 wala se email nole mandinaring@hotmail.co.uk badingol mandinaring river lodge anin Black Pearl restaurant nyinu lenata kanda handi la dula la fannala anin domoro anin baneho wala alngambori no jejeje.
Do you want to get more value for your dollars? And if the fees you pay for your transfer also matter to you?
Then ABS Money Transfer is your approved way to send money, Nduga, cash power or mobile credit to family and loved ones in the Gambia.
Sending money with APS is like sending SMS. Our service is fast, reliable, safe and convenient. We have all our services under one roof at APS. We give you competitive rate, low fee and more payout locations nationwide than competition. We provide instant instant cash pickup, home cash delivery, or better still, deposit money direct into your personal bank account in the Gambia and be in charge of who sees what sits in your personal bank account.
Our APS cash service provides you with great peace of mind whilst you are on holidays in the Gambia. Should you run out of cash, you can use our POS for unlimited cash withdrawal with your European bank card. Just call us on 399-5264 for this service.
Our unique and innovative Nduga service provides and delivers high-quality essential goods locally sold in the Gambia. You can buy food items such as cooking oil, rice, sugar, and other essential goods.
You can also buy building materials to build your big and magnificent houses on time with our nationwide Nduga coverage service. No more going to the market. With APS Nduga, we let you concentrate on other important tasks while we take care of your Nduga shopping.
You can send money from anywhere in the world to the Gambia with APS using your bank card, and our services are available 24/7 online. Our Senegal and other African customers can use our Worry service.
Download our APS Money app today from Google Play Store or App Store.
Call us today on our UK office number +44 121 64 33003 or on WhatsApp +44 790 402 8180 or on our Gambia office number 399 5264 or on WhatsApp on 399 5264.
Better still, visit us online at www.apsinternational.com.
APS.
ali kontongal tolla anal jamundangolu mobe dawda kabirin Gambia bamfo Gambia e bantala wato fela sita koten wato mi yalon ko nka TRRC in translation na programo min kanali tiliwotili talan saba wato la kabo tenel lungola fo adjuma lungola bidum TRRC in translation kunun danta damin bi fanan ba tala waleto bayrin Mamadou Lamin Ba ni wala sede yalu nata fo kunun dami yalon ko ay nyim foko sana sabali be listo babula kamul kumande kansul nata nyinin ka bare te ko akamul min be kumande wo wato la ya taraye wol be faale foka ya tay wol be mutale foka ban bare anata foko aseke yalon ne mutafoka ban barate tulo min moy wala mu listo te mi yalon ka babulu and mi yalon ko abe sana bulu andun sana be tolu kumande ka wotolu nyinulu tolu ay minulu fo wodbe wo konole budum badi wala bimba tala wala mitala patu nala hakilo ba kan fanan kabo talan fula wato la fo sain albe TRRC dole fanan la moy kan dami yalon ko Basiru Baro ala musufulolu fintita tonya commission nyatini wala ka cool sedia minini alon ko ya wala kalamuta wala kete nyala anin cool minini alon ko ilate kan nin ala sonta mbewo kacalale nin futata sutola mimbe kere watola ala la mansabayat bari bimbe min kera doron nin mo lamin bala patule be kontinela kala kilo blande doron ko bully shop number 1 and number 2 wala bulo be na nyim programme nyin koto wala altul mini alon ko alka mobile lo alka sule la sako nyim bul kono diamurangolo asifa wo sifa nyin smartphone lo mini alon ko e bul kondin ka bori kan doron isaje kuwolke e koy bele bije wonni la accessoire kabrin charger ne ku katangolo haya funo la ne ku katan jama bluetooth speaker wol bebe yale katafo channel anin APS money transfer wol fanande comme nga fo nyamin itolu la ko sone ata bake bayde nale kodo kina la modi wala APS la approved services ni atara bank man sutiete marila itolu fangole kenyun kodo nyin itolu fangole kenyun kodo nyin la mole min kiyenan ya samba fo itela bungo kono ya dila ya sign la kodo ta butunga natir kan telon pamudu bojang nse continue nu ning Mamadou Lamin Ba fojan ning wato ben sola damina albela mo kan su radio la home digital FM 99.9 Brikama sate kono ani mimbe kerin TV online mi yaron ko ibe duniya dawoda ni asara internet obe bulu isenji be no le yam moy fanan butun saimbe min kala dron sita mi yaron ko wala lead consulti wala mo esa falti wala ning mumulamin nga dandami nga tawto.
Let me finish. Mane Nyancho was also arrested. Aliuba arrested. Why would Sana Sabali say if anybody sees them and fires at them, they have no case to answer?
Yeah, because maybe they believe, they might believe that these are the people who are the ring leaders,
But why would he say that if these people are already in custody? In his own custody. Why would he say that?
Badi mo minga min fale doro wala nyinti ko kunun adanta damin aya nyininka ita ko nyintol min be listo bala sa nyintol de atare wolbe muta fokaban sa ni atara ebe sanaba wol muta fokaban muna ina ba fala nimmi yeje bu yefa.
That's what I'm saying. I'm saying that I didn't know at the time whether they were arrested.
Akombe wala fokan kato wato la malon ko e arrestle.
But these names were on the list and he was pronouncing names.
Ako bari nyintolu be listo nyimbarale andung ibe wotolu nyim fokanne.
Okay?
All right.
Yeah.
Proceed.
Akai continue.
We were there for a while.
Mbije fo wati dantang.
After 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock
It
tambita.
was 8.
8 ma famala.
You know, they ordered for Fafanyan to be removed from the cell.
Inata yamaro di puriye Fafanyam bondi nan selo kono.
At this stage, did you see any vehicles
Okay.
parked
Yeah. Right.
anywhere around that?
Yes.
Akai fonye wato la ikamin foteng. Inyai moto jeleba moto mini yalon ko be pakirin dinkiral to. Badingolo hakobo ndi nyambina muru na sign teng bayring dokube wala nyama mbe alhawale bulu dunia be jalo nyintembo to abe fenkerin domonding barikala kino bulande doron ko albe la moy kala la moy la bunda la TRRC in translation.
I saw a vehicle around the guard room.
Aka nyaay moto jele guard room o ma fangola
And
hani bide. Okay.
What type of a vehicle?
a truck,
Ako anyaye moto bale je guard room o ma fangola
military truck.
militaire la moto ba.
And then equally someone was saying that, look at them.
Ako wo wato da sanaba fo kan Ali Jibe.
They want to be presidents. They
Ako ilafita ka ke president waleti.
want to be president.
Ilafita ka ke president waleti.
You can see them in the truck.
Ako nya ke jele moto kono moto ba.
Who was he referring to?
Ako ya lonna akawo fo jumalle.
This Lieutenant Barrow, Basiru,
Ako mo Basiru Baro
and then Dotfal.
anin dot fall.
Already soldiers were climbing up, peeping. I had the preview to go and climb and then peep.
Ako sojaro ka sele moto ba kono re ka jibe jumalle bije ako fanate fanan natata seleta moto ba kono kamo yoni ka jibe jumalle bije.
I saw them, they are all lying down,
Ako nyaaye je belarim bankoto je moto ba kono.
motionless, they are dead.
Ako ni nata jibe buka mamang aboko ifatale.
Okay? After that,
Ako bira bota wala
Edward asked Kanye to go and bring Fafanyam.
ako Edward ko alaji Kanye wala nyama teta Fafanyam kamanang.
So he was coming in Fafanyam,
Ako alaji nim Fafanyam binakang
pushing him,
aba puskang
asking him to run
aba folay ko ibori
until at the ante-room.
fo kabiri wato minne futate la anti-room o nyinto.
Between the ante-room and the cookhouse,
Ako anti-room o ni wanyo tema.
they asked him to run for his life.
Ako wato le kai ko ibori kini yo tankandi.
For Fafanyam to run for his life.
Iko Fafanyam ye bori aya ni yo tankandi.
Behind
Ya bulu sita koma
with pants.
ay kurtu sutumo dum.
As he was turning, looking behind,
Ako alota wala nyama ba koma jibela.
Then Edwards first fired at him.
Ako birabe borola be koma jibela Edward li ya boom.
He fell down.
Ako aboita bankoto.
He wanted to get up again.
Alafita kawuli kotang.
Somebody by his side,
Ako modo bije mimba karaden nangol.
which I later realized that it was Lamin Koli,
Mi yalon ko anata kalamuta ko Lamin Koli long.
also finished him.
Ako Lamin Koli le nata ka fafanyan labang.
Let's take it a bit slowly.
Akai ngata domandin domonding.
Where were you at this stage?
Akai tebe no muntole wo watola.
Standing at the anteroom,
Akombe loring anti-rumo nyinto.
You were seeing things clearly.
yes,
Akai folbe kuli ji kanne jaharan wa akai ha.
Koli, how far was him away from Mr. Nyang?
Akai koli nim fafanyan na jamfobe nyoy nyadile.
Fafa Nyang?
look, this was a group of people. Fafanya is in front.
Ako nimu mo jamal leti fafanyan benyato.
He was asked to run for his life. Everybody
Inata fay ko ibori kin yo tankandi.
was behind him.
Ako mo min baby je biyu lori ne fafanyan ne benyato.
We were all behind him.
Ako mbebe lori komale.
Okay, Edu fired first,
Ako edilo folo ikido fay.
followed by
Sorry, excuse me. Where was Edu standing? Use this space to tell us who was standing where.
Akai ko ma faham hansa laftali wuli atandin na nyindulato jumale be lori munto.
this was the anteroom.
Akai nyimu anti-rumo nyinno.
Okay, there is a pathway. There is a road that leads to cookhouse.
Ako silande wala bije mintata wanyoto.
Edu was just standing right in front of the office door.
Ako Edward Belorin office la bunda nyatili walela.
And then the rest of us were all behind him
Ako ntul mume bebe Edward ye komala.
in group.
Ngurupolo.
So he asked Fafanyan to run for his life.
Edward nada fo fafanya ye ko ibori keni yo tankandi.
So on that pathway towards the cookhouse,
Ako wasilande wo kan kata tabiru dula ma fangola.
Which direction? That direction or towards my direction?
Akai ko ila ma fangola wallante la ma fangola ba ni council be sidi nyoy nyamin.
no, this direction.
Akai ni direction
The
do.
anteroom is on your left, and then the cookhouse is on the right. So there's a pavement between the cookhouse and the anteroom. So that's the road he should take and then run for his life.
Aya tandiala ako silande wala bije ako wanyo ni andiru motema silande wala bije wo silande wo kan e kaylo wala to kebori purukani yo tankandi.
That's where it was shot him, and then
I understand how you explain the geography.
Akai nga fahamule ye je fonye
I
nyami.
want you to use this space
Akai lafitali ye wuli.
and explain the positions
Yena ya fonye morbe lori nyadile.
so that we will have a good understanding of what happened.
Isaje kon sa fahamu kende ke muneketa.
The way you've just described it,
Ako ya taman seri nyami.
it's like Fafanyang was shot whilst he was running behind you.
Akai ko awoka mundare ko fafa nyambe bori kanne biranga be boro lete ko mo wato le abu
Where you were standing.
ibe lorin dami
he was running in front of us.
akabe ntolu nyatili wala
Can you use this space to show who was standing where?
Okay,
akai wuli atan ninna jumale be munto
like this table, okay? Like we are all standing at this table here,
akai ni misali fen bebe lorin din taburo le
facing you,
nyatili tela
okay? And Fafanyang was asked to run for his life.
ako fafa nyam ye ya fo fafa nyay ko ibori ke niyo tankandi
Towards which direction?
Was
akai kata mafa
your direction,
akai katete mafa wala
okay? So as he stepped off, he was in the form of a run, but not that much, because
akabe bori kanne bara mantare boru bakam
somebody who's an study, you cannot have the the strength to run that far.
ako kato ya bulol sita komale abuka borno bake
So as he stepped off, he was running,
kabiri nga singol wulinde abe bori kan
looking behind,
abe koma jibe kan
a shot came from Edu.
Edu wodi kido fay wala nyama ka bun.
Who is Edu?
Jumala mo Eduti.
Edward Singate.
Edward Singate.
What was his rank at this?
Lieutenant Edward Singate.
Akai muna mala makamotu na akai Lieutenant Edward Singate.
Okay. Yeah, a shot came from Lieutenant Singate.
Ako Lieutenant Singate abu wala nyama pau.
He fell down.
Aka boita bankoto.
He got up.
Abulita.
Koli also shoot at him.
Koli fana ya abu wala nyama.
At this stage, where was Koli?
Ako watu la Koli belori muntole.
Koli was standing there.
Ako Koli belori njele.
Amongst your group?
Yes.
Ako Koli benna grupo le konontol belori.
Did he make a move towards Fafanyam?
Ako fo Koli borta Fafanyam ma famala lebang.
If it will be a move, maybe a standing position or a firing position.
Ako nabe kela boroti kata Fafanyam ma famala wala kalo kulon kala kido tidingala ka suman kuke.
But not like run towards him, no.
Ako amanke ko kabori ama famala hani womanke.
If he might take a position, probably a standing position.
Ako ni atara a position da be kela le kaluku. Badingolo ale hako boy di nyola fele koten kulu tata ko majando mondem bari ngala hako dani wala do ko le be wonyama wato dodu aka kolya jamba ke do mondem bari binala nan science atemela binala atemela.
So tell us about 21st July 1994. Can you tell us?
Arahako boindinye hansa ndombe minkela mbitala kankular sutumala drong ne murunta ne saje kon position no ngatanu kankular sutumala bajela ko ne murunta nan drong ndanta damin nsatale no woto wala ngata kankular sutumala.
Shop number 1 opposite Brikama police station. Safala mobile mojudo chogu wengu mobile mandu awad ay moyus harronka halama bonane ko bulli shop yata. Itel, Tecno, Samsung. A latest Nokia kala faso mobile mo fala at you go temele jo yehi do heba mobile keso kul hondung habota den e bulli shop opposite Brikama police station. Ha joni o hadani dong. So on fala ma flat screen fason mo fala dawo e inch mo fala dawo sa hewti bulli shop a heb ay motong e chogu wengu. Men yeyu de receive faje kadi. Ara soda baga suji receive. Men men wadana ma fix hara yobata hay original charger, original batteries, screen protectors dum fawno bulli shop opposite Brikama police station. Si on fala ma hebude ko labi kolombe e 7799530 wala 9957262. Bulli shop number 1 don hebato mobile mojo e choguwen.
Badingol mobile adadima a garantir ngo andu warranty bala niya sanna tinyata ka joysey walla ya dade aka soto damin doro wala bulli sopti anyabe tilindaliye Brikama police station la Brikama sate kono mobile min boko Itel, Tecno, Samsung ani latest Nokia lo kata fo Huawei ani mobile kotangol mobile sifa dadima kabo kemelul la drop ise fanso mobile soto walla ngamune bato al ngamborinu bulli shop number 1 afele anyabe tilinde Brikama police station nse kachanyo ya no ni telefono la 779-9530 wala 995-7262 Bulli shop number 1 che badingulu nkale ko jakalo bantalde sako atol mini alon ko alkana holiday la jang nyembanko kan e ko holiday lalo mandinari river lodge wolle nata pour kalu da handi bari e bungol sotale le bungol mini alon ko ibe tembering e dalibe sonearing andu bungol be betearing bari badingulu amanda wala de mandinari river lodge e kamuru ne fane e ka river escosono kale wolom nyente ko ning ali lundangol le soto wala da malo allafta kalon na bolongol be nyamin isebulandino kulungo konole ye yayi kata Denton Bridge Banjul kata hani fonyombi bari manna dawo fananna de iko ye dula sotale jele dami alon ko wolo mukku dulati anika fomi ye beach andu la jeli be seniari ne mobuke batande ni biji iko la bungol mu nyontangon leti ila bungol ye be dada fengol mini alon ko wolle be to laje babarolo anin nyantangolo walla to mini alon ko alnata holiday la lokun fulalombang lokun sabalombang karkilin nomba
step off, he was running.
Ako kabirin aya simo bari wala la hako bo indi nyawala murunta nan ne kotek andum wato min bije fana man jamfa butum sayim be continue lale nse continue danta nun dami.
No, looking behind.
Ako abe borka ko majibe kan.
A shot came from Edu.
Ako Edward Singate abu wala nyama.
Who is Edu?
Akai jumala mo Edu ti.
Edward Singate.
Akai Edward Singate.
What was his rank?
Mune mala ranko ti wato.
Lieutenant Edward Singate.
Ako Lieutenant Edward Singate.
Yeah, a shot came from Lieutenant Singate.
Singate abu wala nyama pau.
He fell down.
Aboita bankoto.
He got up.
Awulita.
Koli also shoot at him.
Koli faranata.
Where was Koli?
Wato la akabe ntolde kono.
Amongst your group?
Yes.
Did he make a move towards Fafanyam?
Akofo Koli tata Fafanyam ma fangalale.
If it will be a move, maybe a standing position or a firing position.
Ako ni atara abe mamana wala obekela minti wala mnyende ko kalo kupura sabu.
Not like run towards him, no.
Aka manke ko aborta ma fangalale.
If he might take a position, probably a standing position.
Ako ni atara abe position dala obekela kalo ku.
Whereby you have to shoot your left foot forward to have at least a balance of your weight.
Ako woto iki mara simole sambanyato ninkamala ise balance sotono.
Did you see him aim his weapon at Fafanyam?
Akai foya jela abe Fafanyam sumankan.
No, I didn't see him. After the shot,
Ako kabirin kido fightale.
When once a weapon is fired, smoke comes out.
Ako ning kido fighter doron sisiora kabo adato.
So that smoke, where it comes, that's where
Ako wo smoke kabo nandami.
at glance I realized that it is so.
Ako wota la jeji be ayalonko lamin koli la kido lam.
His weapon that was fired.
Ako ala kido le fighter.
In order to make that shot, what did he have to do? As a soldier, can you tell us what Koli had to do in order to make that shot?
Ako Koli nyanta munekela military ato puruka wo fairoke.
What are the steps he must take in order to make that shot?
Ako munebekela simfaluta be mentala puruka wo kido le fai.
So I said you must have to send your left foot forward
Ako ike marasi wala sambanyato
to balance yourself
puru nyenkamala ikana jija
and then take it in. And then
yaje yekido wuli ni amari sumang
shot.
ni asumang foka ba ya fai.
So he must have taken a shooting position.
Ako so ikamin fo wala ndiko alo kutale puruka bun.
Exactly. A standing.
Ako ha.
Squatting down, standing position.
Ako ntoluka fo le standing position.
And then he
fire.
said he
Ukola ya bun.
aimed his
Of course,
weapon.
it was an aim shot.
Ako iko aya sumana kai ha ubundiro musumandiro leti.
And then he would have to pull the trigger.
Yes.
Ako ando anyanta le malala kai ha le.
And that would be a deliberate shot.
Of course, yes. It was
Ako fo mutaunte ayata kai ha tautala ya wula
a
kamale.
deliberate one.
Akaya ya wula kamale.
Intentionally to kill.
Yes.
Ako aya wula kamale puruka fa ko ha aya wula kamale ka fa.
That's your testimony.
That's my testimony.
Akai wala mula sediyat akai ha wala muna sediyat.
What do you say to the suggestion
Akai be mune fola nyin kuma doto.
that the shot coming out of Koli's weapon
Ako kido mimbota kolila kido kono.
was accidental?
Ako mula nyino leti.
No.
Ako hani wo wonten tonyat.
No. I deny that.
Ako amanso wala.
I definitely deny it.
Ako tonya amanso wala.
Do you deny that?
Ako muna ne imanso wala.
Because if it is an accidental shot,
Ako ne atara la nyino lem.
he would not have landed, hit his target.
Ako to nunung ay min sumate wo mala.
He would not have hit his target.
Ako to nun kesot ye min sumate wo mala.
There are procedures in firing.
Ako silon lebe fairola.
All right. You must have to look through the, foresight blade,
Ako eka kilo huwele kono jibe
foresight blade, okay, to the front tip of the front side blade.
Ako kido fanan kumoto anengoto fembije kamin fanan jibe.
To the target. You have to
ninka malaika min suma ya sumanno.
Inline distance in order to hit your weapon.
Ako anda ne wolle be tembele ka damidu jibe ninka malaika so samano.
AK-47 is not just like any other weapon.
Ako AK-47 manke jora wo jorantide.
By looking at you where I am, unless if I am somebody who is a marksman.
Ako kejibe ako wala itamari be kala marksman o tibulo diata back.
I can just you know, rapid fire.
Inse kido fire no le tariari mo kidi fire tariari ka fami rapid fire.
That one does not need that much aim.
Ako man sula puruka sumandiroke.
You just point your muscle where the target is and then you spray.
Ako ikaila kido tiline ita sulata mimbuna denia janjandi.
Then along the line,
ako line o kang,
because when you burst, it goes with about five rounds will go at the same time.
Ako katunea asabadorong automatic kese lulu katanyola le lodula kilometer.
Without releasing it, it will continue firing.
Ako ni ma bula dorong abe continue le ka keso fay.
So in that, I would say, but if not,
ako na manke wati,
you have to aim your target.
Ila target o nyantale ka sumang
and hit your target.
Yama.
Then you get it. You can't say it's
that
is the
mistake. The evidence one of the testimony we received is that Koli was running towards Fafanyang in order to help save him because he was shot.
If you look at the
let me finish.
Okay.
He had his gun slung over his shoulder. And as he was running, there was accidental discharge. And it hit Fafanyang on the jaw.
Ana o keso nata fafanyama atimoto.
What do you say to that?
Aka yemune fo woto. Ako man soto.
Is that possible?
Aka fo sekeno bang.
But that is not possible.
Ako man possible.
Because a weapon that is slim.
Ako kido mimbe sakiring.
Alright? If there is an accidental fire.
Ako ni atara langino keta keso fighter.
Negligent discharge, ND we call it.
Ako negligent discharge misali fe mari careless for kilo fighter.
Then you either wound yourself.
Ibe fangole baramala.
Or the shot will land somewhere very close to you.
Ako wala kilo be keso be lala dulala to dami alongo jesu te ate te fangola back.
But it cannot travel and go and hit somebody.
Ako bari keso te tamala no kataka modufa.
Not possible.
Amang ukton kuti mi alonga sotota.
It's not possible.
No. If I were to tell you that the testimony I have just described come from Koli, what would you say to that?
Just trying to build a cover up, but if I was him, I would have said I shoot him.
If
I was him in his
true. Essentially you saying he lied.
Of course, yes.
Cover himself from responsibility.
I'm telling you. If I was him, I would have said yes. I kill him. Yes. Saying an accident discharge. That is not true story.
So you, Emelba, standing there on that day of November 11, you knew that Koli finished Fafanyang
yeñin don ko kolile Fafanyang labang
deliberately.
Yeah.
anda ya ke tawnte yalela
That's your testimony.
That's my testimony.
akay wala muy la seediata akay ha wala famamu
Under oath.
Under oath.
akay ye kalile da akay ha ando hani mimbe kalo koto
What happened after that?
akay mu nekk da okola
And from there, things started unfolding again.
ako bila bodo woto kuwol nata du ko tan
All right. From there, I moved towards the garden,
ako bila bodo data da gatu mo ma
and
fangala
I saw Babukar Jata
ay Babukar Jata taraje
walk into the camp.
abe dun kan kampo kono
How he came, I don't know.
anata nyamin amay wolom
So when he arrived, I went and approached him and said, "Sir, good morning, sir." He said, "Yes."
ako kabira futata tata sutiyata wala nyama ya konton
I said, "Sir, last night your driver was overcome.
akay ko kunu ila drive aman nyasoto no
That is Ngom, Sergeant Ngom,
ako wala musajin gomti
that he's inside the cell."
akay ko ya mutale ya bula selo kono
He said I should go and make arrangement for his release.
ako ndengata nga ferolu dada ak wobe bulala nyami
And I went to the guard room.
ntata gadu wala nyama
I met many soldiers there.
nga sojal jamal taraje
I spoke to this guy, how do you call it, Buba Jammeh.
ndiyamuta buba
He
jamme
was the duty provost then,
wala munun duty provote no watola min marta jela
at
wato
night.
wo sutola
Which Buba Jame?
akay buba jamme
Kanilai.
akay kanilai
All right. So I told Kanilai that, look, Army commander said you should release this Babukar Ngom. The his
akay ko ami komanda ko inyanda nyim Babukar Ngom bulala le
driver is not part of it.
ako ala drive fo dati je
Then he requested the chief from Bach. Then
den anada fo baje chabo diara wala
he
nyama
opened the cell.
ay selo bundayele
Which batch are you referring to?
akay be bajjumale la
Samba Jallo.
akay Samba Jallo
Then he called his name.
aya to kumande wala nyama
He walked out
afintita nam banta
from the lot, and then he came out.
afinta nam molu kono afintita nam banta
I asked him to go and dress up
ndenga fay ko purata e pare
in his house and then bring the
ala bungo kono
Babukar Jata's car along.
ay Babukar Jata la moto Samba na nyola
And what happened after that?
akay mu nekk daw kola
As soon as he left,
kabira tata
we were there
benunje
for a while.
fo wati dantan
Briefly, the council members, they left again
ako council dingolu fintita wala nyama
towards Banjul.
yay kulo nyatile mbanjulla
Then they came back.
ay nata muru nan koten
This would be around in the afternoon, 12 upwards.
ako nyumu tilebula mafangola ti talan 12 mafangola
When they came also,
kabiri nata
there was an arrangement for a vehicle.
ako arrangement tata jele pour moto
All right, a jeep was brought in front of the guard room,
ako ye jipo Samba nan gardu no nyatile wala
parked in front of the guard room, and then
ya londi gardu no nyatile wala
these names were called,
e datita kam modu tolu kumandi wala nyama
as I mentioned it earlier on.
ko be ngafo nyamin
The cell was open,
ye selo dayele
Lieutenant Sel was called,
ye lieutenant sey kumanda fintita nan
and then followed by Buba Jammeh,
buba jam
Bakar Mane, Lamin Dabo, Ablaye Ba. Yeah,
Let's get the names again.
akay nyin tolu min fo ye wala kumandi nan kabo selo kono
yeah.
Jibril Say you said.
Yes.
Followed by who else?
Buba Jammeh,
Buba Jame.
Lieutenant Buba Jammeh, Lieutenant Lamin Dabo, Suso,
Lamin Dabo.
yes. Then
Lamin Dabo, does he have a nickname?
akay fo lamin dabo to soto lay ka kumandi minna
Lamin Dabo.
Yes.
Yes, he has a nickname,
akay ay to soto lay ka kumandi minna
What was the nickname?
Suso.
suso ka fayle suso
Yeah, we are all from the same village. He's from Bureng, I'm from Bureng.
akay mbebota dingira kilmol to bureng
He's called Suso.
ay ka fayle suso
You have Ablaye Ba,
Ablai Babije,
a chopping.
chopping.
Then you have, who else? OCDT, Kedek Silla, Amadou Silla.
Cadet Silla, yes.
Yes.
Ako welle bije minul toru kumandi.
And who else?
These 5 I can remember.
Aka ninjuma ko den ako nyumo lolde ahakilo welle ma.
Vehicle.
And then what happened after that?
Aka mine nata ke kote.
Then as soon as they brought the vehicle,
Ako tumara ni ne bulata motola.
to my surprise this time around,
Ako na jakalo keta mintu ni wat jindonto.
I should have gone with Babukar Jata, but
Nim Babukar Jata la nyantata la nyola bari.
sorry, something happens before they depart.
Ako kule keta janni bita.
As I said, as soon as Babukar Jata walked in,
Komi nga fa nyamin kabirin Babukar Jata ba dunkan nang.
I told him about his driver. He asked me to go and negotiate his release.
Nga fa
When I was released, I
nata
came back
fa nga
home.
bondi nata wurun nang.
He told me, he said, Ba,
Ay nimfo nyako nye ba.
Yamirete from data into bank.
Aka yamirete fango data nyinto bang.
What does that mean?
He said, Ba, do you think you are not also part of these people?
Aka yamirete fango data nyimodu kono bang.
I said, sir, what do you mean? He said,
Aka ko yemune fo.
the coup leader is from Jara, so
Aka mi ye kudeta ke nyaton ko bota jarale.
I'm also from Jara.
Andite fanam bota jarale.
I said, sir, but if I'm part of it, then you are also part of it.
Aka ni ataran dabi jele wallete fanan dabi jele.
He said, but why do you say that? I said,
Aka muna ne fo.
I'm working directly under you.
Aka inte ka do ko kete the koto directly.
So, you know, we're not far from council members. Sana Sabali had to look back and then
Ako manja fa council di wala sana sabari fango koma jibe kan
see
jibe.
us. He smiled.
Then bila njadorong a muita wala nyama.
Maybe him doesn't know the role I played in 1994.
Ako tumando biyate malong ate simfalu minta 1994.
1994. But Sana knew what I did.
Ako bar sana ya lonna te minke.
So the mere fact that saying that Koyamete data in Tobam,
Ako kafo fa yamirete date nyinto.
and I also responded with that.
Ako mfana nga jabi wanyama.
You know, maybe it doesn't go down well with him.
Ako ana tumando bije womandi ya Babukar Jata ya jabi nyami.
This was why when they were leaving to go out of the barrack, he left me inside the camp.
Wala ya sabu kabiri bita watu mina kafinte barako kona ate fili banta. Ate fili kampu
It
kona.
was a surprise to me.
Ako keda jakal kuti.
But it does not matter.
Ako bari woman ke fen.
Myself, to me, I'm trying to save my own life in this case.
Ako atebe minke ka wala muka fango niyo tankandi nyinkuot.
You are seeing people, they are taking people out.
Iya mori je ka mori fintindi na mbanta.
You don't know where they are taking them.
Imado be sambara dami.
And you are also telling me that I am part of them,
Deni fananga fonte dabi jele.
which I also, you know, reply that if I am part of it, you are also part of it.
Wala ya sabu fananga jabi nka nin dabi je wale fanan dabi jele.
We have received testimony
Aka nga sediaro dul soto jannade.
that in the morning,
Ko somondala.
while people were watching or
Tumala minna mori be jibero la.
going to look at the bodies that were in the truck,
Ako mori mi yalen ko tata mori jibe mini benu wo moto ba kono.
somebody went up the truck
Mole tata fotro koto.
and realizing that Dotfal
Anata nyin ko dot fal.
was not completely dead,
Ako dot fal man fa fereng.
he finished him off.
Then anata labang.
Finish him up in the truck.
Aka laban troko kon.
While Dotfal's body was in the truck.
Ako tumala mina dot fal jato be troko kon.
The time I'm seeing that fall, he was completely dead.
Ako hani ndenga dot fal je watu mina afata le fokabang.
The time you saw him, he was completely dead.
Akaye foya je watu mina afata la akaye ha watu afata le.
So you did not know anything about somebody having to climb up the truck to finish him off.
Akaye ko man fello ko mole selta troko to purkala ba ko hani.
Okay, good. So you had this altercation or this conversation with Babukar Jata,
Enen Babukar Jata India mo soto wala nyo sabo.
Yes.
and he left.
Yeah.
Then anata tako ha.
without you.
Yes.
He's
ayate filije
orderly.
Yes.
andi tele janta katara bala
You remained behind.
Yes.
then ita tuta koma
What happened afterwards?
mine keda okola
You said they returned in the afternoon.
Yes.
ina da foko murunda nu na wularo
When they came back in the afternoon,
kabiri murunda nan tilibulo
Did you see them when they returned?
ye jele bambiri be murun kan nan
I want to know who returned.
laftalo na la jumala murunta nan
yes, I saw them. The council member, they all came back,
ako council dingol be nata
including Babukar Jata himself.
ande Babukar Jata be konale
You said, quote, council members.
ye nyem foko council dingol
Yes.
They all came back,
ya foko be murunta nan
including Babukar Jata.
Yes.
Babukar Jata be kono
Unquote. That is
Yes.
exactly what you said.
Yes,
aka
yes.
ye wala fode
Tell us which council members you saw.
aka fonye council di jelleje
Lieutenant Sana Sabali, Lieutenant Edward Singate, Lieutenant Haidara, and then Yankuba Ture,
ani yankubatu aka nyino leje
including Babukar Jata.
ani Babukar Jata
Yes.
Sorry, you saw all of them.
Yes.
Did you see any other senior military officers present there who were not members of the council?
akay ko e militaire kunti do jele banko den mi yalon ko amanke council dingoti
If there is any, it is Babukar Jata.
ako niatara mobi je dan wobi Babukar Jata let
If there is any,
ako niatara mobi je Babukar lowoti
at that point in time, it's Babukar
o
Jata.
wato
He is the only one you can recall.
I can recall, yeah.
ako ato don no motinda hakilo se mimano
Do you know a person called Peter Singate?
aka ye Peter Singate lon ne ba
Oh, yeah, sorry. Though it's all along with his brother.
ako Peter wato wata nala broda katara nyoda la wala mo Edward
Could you say that again?
What I'm saying, Peter is always with his brother,
aka inka bin fo wala Peter nala Edward katara nyoka ne wato
Edward Singate. They are always together.
ibe nyoka ne wato
Always.
together
That may be the case, but was he present
Yes,
on
he
this
was present.
particular day?
I just forgot to mention his name. He is present.
akay fa be nun jele wono akay ha be nun jele butum badi ngodo bi fanan mbe danna wolto bayre radio do ko la wato sita miniti wala damare tutaje bayre taje doron airport ko lekana programme wala nyin kamala kela airport long kalo munamu airport oti andon fana sada do no programme nyin kono ba sign on la line o yele 6399 6399 fego fe yalon ko nyen temboto ala fita commandiro kala drum ba fala ko mbe minto bi wala mo lamin bati bar fanali la mo fanan testimony lale mi yalon ko basiru baro la musuflole wala ke wala sign fego fe yalon ko lafta ko kala bayre wato bi biya wato tata fam 6399 mbato ngani ko la fata assalamu alaikum. Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam, Pamon.
Naam.
May kontom baga.
Todo.
Oh, tinggal program mo. Kalau ka phone kasi berbi okay, ay di man kasi.
Wala mtu atibe kumando la mtu.
May kumando la jalan mande Fati.
Fati jalan bambisi na program.
Okay, program mo nito ako mata ka sa bigla sa bata.
Alhamdulillah.
Ito mo program mo kontan because yung dari sa makan nito sa ya bila so do sa bilang kasi ga mabata kain sa sa wata na mata.
Wala mtu
Ay sabar ka na program mo kontan.
baraka Fati ya baraka mbatu ngani ndo fananta okay okay assalamu alaikum.
Hello.
Hello bani ila radio talado mande kati toli odu to si to ni ma dani be kumando la muntole. Okay wo fabe marse kono kay ngamra te be marse la kono hansa ndom be kolla kilim fulata la don 6399 assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam Pamon.
Naam to di ma dani be kumando la muntole.
Nda berita Mahmud Amala jo.
Amin Allah ya rabbi.
Ibelerum bangko nyani mal ala tangka.
Amin Allah ya rabbi.
Mahmud na diaro sugo tini sugo jo belaka wala tekni kana kon bangko ya fa ni ko lo mol ko lo diala ni.
Mo kende wo be kala inshallah.
Wala ni la no ba toro ani manna no.
Wala
ko ni so ko la bul bari ni ko ni tan ko bo diala ni wa.
wo be bete yala mo kende.
Baraka
baraka batu ngani ndom fananta mo kende. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Naam to di ma do ani be kumando la mun to. Mo kende.
Program on mbayan be kamay.
Alhamdulillah e be mun to le. Babylon bismillah to dum. Malik bismillah program to.
Ya ñun tamo. Jamono be ko.
Wala mu to ñaati. Wala mu to ñaati. Wala mu to ñaati. Mo kende wala mu to ñaati baraka bak mo kende last caller assalamu alaikum. Yo mare kelim
Pamodu tele
mbasi ma
Pamodu este non patra den buka mutano pamodu min pano katan na haje la kan na haje dole tinya
nde sana hako boy denje
ntalo mbasi la pombo ngi
mbasi si la pombo ku duru
pamodu ko kuma min fere radio
wala bu to ñaati
pamodu min na banko na moli banin pamodu mata banko kam
yembanne de
Parang ada bandi mo je tole man na de. Ada bandi mo je tole man na.
Kana fo kote.
Min kana sabal ay takayro klali ni de sunati. Ana ma ti be kuti kan tira ba horomo.
Barke ba ma fa modu.
Ke ba ma fa da nasu yara ni su da man da ta ba ni ma ke ka ta nyawi.
Ke ba ma fa man na fo da nan na ta dugo min.
Na da ba ko le mu ne yara da kunte.
Baraka bage baraka. Wannan to ya ta baraka bage mu kan da. Baraka bage baraka. Budun badi wala mu gojorin kote ya tare kiran na last call fananti be modu tentulam bali jayla bi wato sujata bake bayri lota non do monde nga kankular sutungol ke waya sabu nga wato sutiyande bayri lafta da ngan kutunyinna bi de keta patoti ning ala sonda sama fanan nabi tara do monde ne isaje ko nsate banno ngadun do fanan kono bayri TRRC in translation atete bannola bayri nina rajibe TRRC iteluka montaro wati saba nane lulu kele bari ntolu tiloton ka montaro wati kilineke nyine ya sabu laftale altul safar lalu anin jululu be dawda anin mansakunda bundalu nin fansum bundalu ali yarbulu du nyim programme ko to bayri molu kana fa ku bale sotoje ko mini alon ko bebe sitting nka wolleta ka bondi e nyoto tumala menna e ka fo to nya commission to damin e ka fo ni wandila kamolla andu jama baben tol kono ma wandila kamo moy andu buka fasarno so wala wokamala baden wodo mobe dawda ala bulo dun kodo mbe danale janne bully shop number 1 ani APS ne tentu nge jayi tumala mina bi title le bulo du fanan kono ani mandinari river lodge ne tentu famfam budu sai badi ngolo lamin bojan wole mutaku masingoto mimbe kerin online TV ani fanan Ose Umar Fofana wale muta su radio to mbe mo nte kundingo pamudu bojang nte be sire microphone to mba tentuda mbali jayira foni ala mbe nyosi wate kotena ala baraka baki
Shop number 1 opposite Brikama police station safala mobile mojudo choggu welgu mobile mo anduda waday mo har ronka hala mo bonane ko bulli shop yata Itel Tecno Samsung e latest Nokia kala faso mobile mo falat ak yugol temele jow yehi dow heba mobile keso kul ko hondum habota den e bulli shop opposite Brikama police station ha joni o hadani don si on fala no flat screen fason mo falat awo e inch mo falat awo sa hewti bulli shop a hebay mo ton e choggu welgu men yeeyude receiver je kadi ara soda baga suji receiver men men wadana ma fix hara yobata hay original charger original battery screen protectors dum fawno bulli shop opposite Brikama police station si on fala mo hebude ko laabi kolombe e 7799530 wala 9957262 bulli shop number 1 don hebato mobile mojo e choguwel
mbaɗigol mobile o a dadima a garantirigo andu waranti bala ni a sanna tiñata ka joysey walla ya dade aka sotodamin doro wolon bulli sopti a ñaɓe tilindali ye Brikama police station la Brikama sate kono mobile ol min boko Itel Tecno Samsung ani ñi latest Nokia lo kata fo Huawei ani mobile kotangol mobile o sifa dadima kabo kemelul la dron ise fanso mobile o soto walla nkamune bato al ngamborinu bulli shop number 1 afele a ñaɓe tilinde Brikama police station la nse kacaño yano nin telephone la le 779-9530 wala 995-7262 bully shop number 1 ce baɗiŋolu nkale ko jakalo bantal de sako atol min yalon ko alkana holiday la jang ñem banko kan e ko holiday lalu mandinari river lodge wolle nata pour kalu da handi bari ye bungol sotale le bungol min yalon ko ibe tembering e dali be sonearing andu e bungol be betearing bari baɗiŋolu amanda wala de mandinari river lodge e kamuru ne fana e ka river escosono kale wolom ñente ko nin aliye luntangol le soto walla alda malo allafta kalon na bolongol be nyamin isebulandi no kulungo kono le ye yayindi kata denten bridge banjol kata hani fo nyombi bari manna dawo fananna de e ko ye dula sotale jele dami yalon ko wolo mu kudulati ani ka fo mi ye beach andu la jeli be seniari ne mobuke batande ni biji e ko la bungol mu nyontangol leti e la bungol ye be dada fengol min yalon ko wolle be to laje babarolo ani nyantangol walla to min yalon ko alnata holiday la lokun fulalon bang lokun sabalon bang karkelin nomba no mudulati dami yalon ko isitano jele yesse wo soto yela holiday enjoy bari ninata jibe dandangola je wo mu nyontangolati bari manada wala de ye kulumbale sotale je kulumba mi yalon ko restaurant be wala kono ni dunta wo kulungo kono aka kefele ko ibe baba la kulumbale kono andu ye domoro sifa be sotale jele kabiri na nyin african domorolu benna chinolu domodalu ani yasa sulu humbala hol ye nyulul bele sotale je badingolu black restaurant nyimbe mandinaring river lodge le kono andung ya foko fengo feng ni wala mu nyela fannati e ka fomine seafood kabiri nyele bang sifa lu bang nyankaro lu bang anin deri ngolu ye nyinul bele sotale andu nye sifa ya be sotale yele nyinul do lafte tabi ya wo tabi nyale ka wala ke ni lafte ya tabi ni lafte ya jani ni lafte ya tabudinka e ka bele kale wala badi ngolu ngale ko jakalo banda de altolu gambian kolu anin gambian kolu terol bini alon kal kanana nyimban ko kan amanjari katanyum hotel da kolem balito bayring mandinarin river lodge itolbe nakirin mandinarin na bolongo fangole bala ikatayela bun konole inyabe bajiola wala kamune bato ni lafta booking na drong alnga feroke nga abdukumandi plus 220-7426-521 wala 220-3219-363 wala 7426-521 wala 3219-363 wala se email nole mandinaring@hotmail.co.uk badingol mandinari river lodge anin black pearl restaurant nyinu lenata kanda handi la dula la fannala anin domoro anin baneho wala alngambori no jejeje.
Do you want to get more value for your dollars? And if the fees you pay for your transfer also matter to you?
Then ABS Money Transfer is your approved way to send money, Nduga, cash power or mobile credit to family and loved ones in the Gambia.
Sending money with APS is like sending SMS. Our service is fast, reliable, safe and convenient. We have all our services under one roof at APS. We give you competitive rate, low fee and more payout locations nationwide than competition. We provide instant cash pickup, home cash delivery, or better still, deposit money direct into your personal bank account in the Gambia and be in charge of who sees what sits in your personal bank account.
Our APS cash service provides you with great peace of mind whilst you are on holidays in the Gambia. Should you run out of cash, you can use our POS for unlimited cash withdrawal with your European bank card. Just call us on 399-5264 for this service.
Our unique and innovative Nduga service provides and delivers high-quality essential goods locally sold in the Gambia. You can buy food items such as cooking oil, rice, sugar, and other essential goods.
You can also buy building materials to build your big and magnificent houses on time with our nationwide Nduga coverage service. No more going to the market. With APS Nduga, we let you concentrate on other important tasks while we take care of your Nduga shopping.
You can send money from anywhere in the world to the Gambia with APS using your bank card and our services are available 24/7 online. Our Senegal and other African customers can use our Worry service.
Download our APS Money app today from Google Play Store or App Store.
Call us today on our UK office number +44 121 64 33003 or on WhatsApp +44 790 402 8180 or on our Gambia office number 399 5264 or on WhatsApp on 399 5264.
Better still, visit us online at www.apsinternational.com.
APS is a service approved by you.